absolutely terrible. I was supposed to be uploading a new video every Wednesday, and I have been so busy that I haven't had time to film anything new. Safety first. So yeah, basically a lot of people have been asking me to do more in-depth videos on the cars that I own. So I figured that I would start that today. And I do have quite a few cars. I guess, yeah, a little bit of background on myself for all the new people and for people who might not know me. My name is Patrick. I own modified all-wheel drive. Basically, we're a shop that builds Subarus, sells Subaru parts, and we just finished a car giveaway. So we gave away a 500 horsepower STI. We're in the process of giving it away. So, yeah. Basically, I love all-wheel drive cars. I love Subarus, especially. And I thought that I would start this series by showing you guys one of the Subarus that I have, and that's the car that I'm currently driving, which is a 2008 STI hatchback. And yeah, so I think there's a lot of like preconceived notions that Subarus are unreliable or that they blow up, and they do, definitely, but so do a lot of other cars. And you know, being in a shop environment, building these cars, a lot of the cars that I see blown up are usually from neglect, performance parts without tuning, no oil. That's a big one, you know, something super simple blows up your car. So yeah, this car has a stock motor with about 30,000 miles on it, and it's making about 500 horsepower, and I just beat the crap out of it. Like, I race it every weekend, I boost it every time I'm in it. Just takes a beating, and you know, I haven't had no issues, no blow by, doesn't burn oil, no ringland failure, or you know, whatever people say Subarus are known for. So yeah, the car is super awesome. I love this car. This has the all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder turbo. This car is pretty basic. It makes about 500 horsepower on stock block, so nothing really special about it. It's on E85 on flex fuel, so I could run pump gas or E85. It's got bolt-ons, front mount, slightly bigger turbo, catless exhaust system, headers, wastegate, basics, you know, really basic stuff, really inexpensive stuff. I built this car kind of, not really a budget build, but kind of just a car with not super expensive parts that I could drive on the weekends, or I could drive whenever, and it just have it be reliable, you know. I think the issue with a lot of the cars I own is that I just take it to a level where they're no longer reliable. They're not really streetable anymore. So I kind of wanted something comfortable, something, you know, easy on me to drive on the street. This car still has AC. It doesn't have a back seat. I have the back seat, but I kind of lost the brackets for them, so I need to get a new set of brackets. But yeah, let's do a pull, and you can kind of see what I'm talking about. This car is pretty great. Hold up. In a turn, it's raining. So yeah, external wastegate, 23 pounds of boost. It's very fun, very fast. This car obliterates pretty much anything on the street. Yeah, it's, I mean, for a Subaru, for any street car, 500 horsepower is plenty. You know, you could do a lot more with a lot less. The all-wheel drive helps a lot too. So this car is just so much fun. Like, it's everything I wanted when I bought this car. So I'll find somewhere to pull over and we can take a closer look at the build. I have an eBay front mount, so if you were wondering, the quality is pretty good. It does heat soak a little bit faster than other brands of intercoolers that I've used, but this was basically just a car that I was building for myself. I didn't have any intentions of racing this car. I didn't have any intentions of drag racing, circuit racing, nothing. Like, I just wanted this car to be a fun, reliable weekend cruiser. And unfortunately, I've been racing this a lot because it's the only Subaru that I own that's currently running. I think that's a cop behind us. So yeah, this is the only car I have that runs that is fast. You know, like I said, I have quite a few cars, and we'll go into detail with the other cars as this mini series progresses. But yeah, this car is one of my favorites. So I just realized we just did a pull in intelligent mode, which is set at 12 psi. So we were missing about 10 psi or so there. So I'm gonna put it in sport sharp and we'll do another pull. Yeah, that felt pretty good for 12 psi. I've never done a pull in intelligent mode, but yeah, that was pretty decent. So let's try again. So yeah, that was a lot better. This car is really fun, really fast. I mean, every time I drive it, it doesn't feel super fast because I have other Subarus that are a lot faster, but it's still so much fun. Like, it spools really quickly, it feels awesome on the street. So yeah, I mean, I'll pull over now, we can check it out. Okay, don't do pulls without any gas. That's like one of those things that will for sure blow up your Subaru. But you know, did it for the video. So I just kind of pulled over on the side of the road here to give you a closer look of this car. And it is kind of rainy, so it might be a little dirty, but that's okay. So yeah, this is the 2008 modified all-wheel drive STI hatchback. It has a really cool Cusco-inspired livery that was done by our friends at Revive Wraps. So if you're in the New Mexico area, you know, they absolutely slay vinyl wraps. I did lose both my fog covers last weekend racing and my splitter rod, so that was pretty unfortunate. It's got some carbon fiber side skirt extensions. We're on Ambit wheels, custom powder coated Brembos. They're like a white with a gold flake, pretty nice. HT Auto flares. Again, here's a better look at the livery. Agency power exhaust. So there's a lot of cars coming right now. So yeah, agency power exhaust. Here's the 3P system back here. Dual compressor, just so it fills up a little bit faster. So yeah, eBay front mount, got DEI heat wrap on this stuff. It helps a lot. This heat reflective tape does wonders. I've got a tial blow-off valve, custom powder coated manifold, IAG fuel rails, injector dynamics, 1050 injectors, full PTFE Teflon coated fuel system to handle the flex fuel. Fuel lab regulator, Blouch 20G turbo. The car is speed density, so instead of running a map sensor, it's on AIT and map. So no map sensor, it's just there to prevent dust from coming in. IAG AOS, this is probably the best bang for buck modification on the whole car. It will really save your Subaru engine, and it prevents blow-by, which is pretty bad, causes detonation, and then that's what causes rod knock. So yeah, pretty basic. I like the car. I figured I would show it to you guys because I have had a few people asking, and now I'm gonna go home and put some gas in this thing before it runs out. Actually, I'm not. So the car's gonna get parked, and that's the reason I didn't put gas. I'm actually leaving for Canada in about a week, and I'll be gone for a little while, so I didn't want to fill up the car with gas and then have E85 sitting in the tank while I'm gone. Not really a good idea. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to check out my other builds in future videos. I'll probably do a couple more episodes with this car, just going into a little more detail. But yeah, check us out on Instagram, All Drive Pat, modified all-wheel drive, and have a good day.